Hello everyone, Mr. Engine 88 here, and you're probably thinking that, well, the quality of this video now looks different because, well, I'm using a phone. The phone takes great quality videos, and so I'm going to show you another Thomas Friends custom, which is on a Lego figure, which will be appearing in my Thomas and the Magic Railroad remake. Today we'll be taking a look at a custom Lily, yeah, one of the characters from Thomas and the Magic Railroad. Okay, she wears a purple shirt and long hair. And yes, I just ordered some parts on eBay and got some parts from the Lego store at the mall. Yeah. Okay, get it to focus. So what do you think, guys? And also, one big bad thing is that the hair keeps coming off way too easily. It's too loose, so I may need to glue it. So probably. But I think it looks pretty good. And looks just like Lily. So guys, thank you for watching this video.